Hi friends, I'm back again with another recipe from my bookshelf, and this recipe is really yummy. Mac and cheese is a classic American dish. So what I've done here is that I made balls out of it and then fried it. It's super, very simple. You can give it to kids because it has no spice at all, but in case if you want to add spice, you can do it. We need half cup of butter, half cup of refined flour, the white sauce. You can make the white sauce. So you sauteed the flour in butter and then add milk and just keep stirring till it's smooth. You can add the cream or milk to adjust consistency, but this recipe you need a thick white sauce. Then you add the processed cheese and mozzarella cheese. Cheese you can add as much because it has to be cheesy, it has to be like really delicious. And add oregano, a teaspoonful. Salt to taste. Mix everything. A cup of macaroni, which is like boiled, 80% al dente. Mix everything and transfer it into a bowl till it cools down. Heat the oil. Put some butter on your palms and make small balls or medium-sized balls of the mac and cheese. You need to cover the balls with breadcrumbs and then deep fry until golden brown. It is so delicious. If you have mac and cheese and it's left over, so you can make it with that also. You can even add vegetables to this to make it more interesting. You can add chili flakes to it, which I haven't added, but definitely you can. If you like this recipe, do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon with more interesting recipes from my bookshelf.